That one card has Ange's signature on the back and Bob's signature on the front. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I have a super special collab video with 7 Sense Magic. He came up with this incredible trick that is perfect for any couple. So I'm going to be doing the performance on my channel, and I'll let him take over the tutorial on his channel. So as soon as this video is done, make sure to go and check out his channel. And that being said, let's do it. So ideally this trick would be great for a couple, but if you have 2 people, then it works there as well. So we'll have person A called Bob. We'll have Bob stop, call it stop wherever he wants. And we'll have him select a card. Let's just say it's the 7 of spades. We'll have him take a Sharpie or something and sign Bob. Look at that. Bob in the house. All right, so we got Bob's card. There we go. We got Bob's card. We'll take Bob's card, leave it right there. All right. And now, of course, Ange has to pick a card. But before Ange can pick a card, we'll give the deck a quick shuffle. We're not going to go too overboard, otherwise it's going to be too much. And I'm just going to start going through the cards. And again, we'll have Ange, right? Ange call out stop. Let's just say Ange says stop right here, right? So we'll take this card and we'll have Ange sign the card. So Ange. It's not Ang, it's Ange. That's what it is. Check that out. Bam, nice and clean. I didn't blow the other one, but I think we should be okay, right? So we have Ange and we have Bob. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. It could be a little difficult to pull off, but we'll see what happens, right? So we'll just square these cards up. Actually, you know what? Instead of squaring these cards up here, I'll have them squared up in the spectator's hand. So let's say we have Ange stick her hand out. I'll put the 2 cards right here completely squared, and we'll have Bob put his hand right on top. And have them think about a time where they were really close to each other. Just where they really bonded. And if I just snap my fingers, which I can't do because I don't have a third hand, we'll see that the card merged into just one card. That one card has Ange's signature on the back and Bob's signature on the front. So all credit for this trick goes to 7 Sense Magic, since he approached me with this idea. And I gotta say, I really liked it. And if you guys haven't checked out his channel yet, go make sure to do that first, because that's where the tutorial is. So I'll put the link on the screen and description. And he got some amazing skills as well, so go make sure to subscribe to his channel. And all that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.